How to build a restaurant site in Squarespace. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to account.squarespace.com once you have successfully logged in. From in there, you should be able to see the Create Website option. So you just need to proceed to click on that and you will be redirected right here in order to see all of the websites template available on your actual Squarespace. In this case, let's proceed to searching here for restaurant. Choosing here this, then click on next, and choosing here what you want to do with your website. For this case, let's choosing here get appointments, offer contact form, send invoices, and in here, just choosing here which one you want. Click on next, and either you can choose the Blueprint AI or you can also choose from their designer templates. So the Blueprint AI utilizes AI to create a unique website for you, while designer templates utilizes template already available. I'll choose in here this one. I'll proceed to collect or choosing here a template that I can utilize. In here are some restaurant templates available. For this case, I'll choose in here this Choto. Click on this, and then you can see what it will look like. So choosing here which one you would want. You can also choose the sample color presets available right here, and then just proceed with the one that you want to use. Click on it to start with this design. Then after that, this will set things up. So as you can see, we have successfully created our restaurant website through this way. It will load for now, and here is our site. So that's how you build a restaurant site in Squarespace. Hope we help.